You saw the title. I'm bringing war crimes to Roblox. Let's jump right in. Okay, so I was inspired by this YouTuber named Byblocks, and someone in his Discord server made a kick British people module. So basically, whenever somebody joins your Roblox game who's British, it kicks them. So I'm just going to use basically the same code to find out what country the player's from, and we're going to team them up based on their countries. So in theory, this will be a really fun game, but I'll let you find out. Okay, so first of all, I need to script this country system, and it just so happens that I'm a really good scripter. So I whipped up this really cool script, and this is all it does. It just makes a country value that says I'm from the US. Well, the easy part's done. Now we just have to make weapons. Now, I am a good scripter, but I'm not really a good modeler. Luckily for me though, I don't need a model. I can just search up anything I want in the toolbox. And just like that, we have a revolver model. This is definitely going to be for the US. Okay, so now we got this nice revolver. We look like we're from Texas, except the gun's facing the wrong way, so let me go ahead and fix that. And just like that, we got the gun looking good. Alright, now I'm looking American. This is more like it. Alright, so I just added some effects, and this is starting to look a lot cooler. So if you aim through first person and you shoot, as you can see, there's smoke that pops out. Also, there's a flash of light, but you really can't tell. But yeah, now the revolver is basically done. We need to add some animations, but the entire functionality is done, so the hard part's over. And I just realized that I never saved this game, so at any point, all of my work could have just been deleted. I wonder what I'll name it. Commit War Crime Simulator? Fight for your country? I guess I'll go with this for now. Okay, so I also realized that this revolver, if you aim down, it doesn't really look where you're going, and it's not really a real revolver. And even when you shoot, it doesn't. So I could fix this with animations, or it could make the gun point where you're looking. And I think my friend Dan has a script for that, so I'm just gonna call him real quick. Yo, Dan, I know you have a script that makes like tools point where you're looking. Can I have that?
Yeah, but only if you beat me in my game.
Dan, I'm not sure if you watch my YouTube shorts, but the last person who wanted to play games with me like this got a hydrogen bomb dropped on their head. So I'm just saying.
1v1 would just be easier. I mean, you don't even have my address.
123 Maple Avenue. Okay, so we agreed to 1v1 just for fun, but he's still gonna give me the code. Okay, what even is this game, Dan? Wait a second. The script is already in the game. I gotta win this 1v1.
3, 2, 1, go!
Bruh.
Okay, that last one doesn't count. 3, 2, 1, go.
No.
Easy! Give me my code.
Okay, you know what? Just for that.
Wait, what did you do?
Yeah, where are you gonna spawn in now?
Alright, enough games. Just give me the code. Okay, what the actual is this, Dan? Oh wait, it actually works. Okay, so I want to add some animations to the gun, and I think it'll make it look a lot better. Okay, so after threatening Dan and making some cool animations, we now have this gun system. Honestly, it isn't too bad. I will add some recoil though. I also want to add every country flag, just so if you're on a team, it shows which country you're on, and you won't have to like look at the player's name and stuff. So I'm gonna have to import over 200 icons. I'm not sure if Roblox will even allow me to do this, but I'm gonna try. Also, let me know in the comments if you can see your country flag right here. Okay, so I just made it where now whenever you join the game, it shows your flag over your head. So now you can see like which team people are on. But I also need to remove friendly fire. Oh, and I also added ragdoll, so that's cool. I think the game's looking pretty good. Okay, so the one thing I know that we're missing right now is a map. Because right now we just have a base plate with a gun and whatever. But I really want to add a map. So I'm just going to use this plugin called Infinite Terrain and generate a map. Okay, I just realized I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna watch a tutorial. Okay, so I just finished the map, and I think it's actually looking pretty good. It's kind of basic because I couldn't really figure the plugins out, but honestly, I think this will be fine for now. The game is cool right now, but I also want to add some like fist combat. I think that would be cool. So I'm going to make that real quick. I'm kind of just going to base it off the revolver, how I set it up. So it's just going to be like the same thing, except with just one part. Then I'll set the handler to fists, and I'll just make a new handler for it. Alright, so with a little coding magic, I made a fist combat system, so now you can like beat up this dummy. However, this is all I have time for to make this game right now, so I'm gonna have to come back to this in a next devlog. In my next devlog, I really want to add crafting and also add like tanks and stuff. That would be really cool. On the screen right now, this is the crafting system that I was working on. I didn't have time to finish it in this one, but I will be putting it in the next one. So subscribe with notifications on and you'll see when I post my next devlog. But for now, I have a bunch of other projects to work on and a bunch of other videos to make for you guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.